Hey guys, what's going on? Just here to tell you a little bit about my most favorite ricotta cheese. It is Galbani Ricotta. It's Italy's favorite cheese brand. Of course, we just came back from Italy and I'm super depressed because all the food just tastes better and fresher there, in my opinion. So I know I'll be always missing the food and views there. And this is the ricotta cheese that my mom we grew up using in my house. So my mom would make a lot of decadent, lasagna, and just like even with regular pasta, like we would just scoop in a dollop of ricotta cheese, and they say that it's less fattening than regular cheeses, super soft, it's easy to digest. So this one is made with whole milk. This is 15 ounces, 425 grams, good size. I think this is about the typical size you would use when making ziti or lasagna or something like that. It's awesome in my vegetable lasagna, fresh vegetables, lasagna noodles, tomato sauce, and this and mozzarella cheese, perfect together. So this is a product of the USA, so I guess it is not imported. It comes with an easy peel plastic on top. It is kosher. So let's check the back. It says, our best, creamiest ricotta cheese. This ricotta cheese is made in the traditional Italian style for a truly authentic taste, perfect for lasagna, stuffed shells, and all of your favorite Italian dishes. With this ricotta cheese available here in America, your Italian dishes just got better. Our creamiest ricotta cheese is brought to you by Galbani Cheese, Italy's favorite cheese brand and America's #1 brand of ricotta. Do not freeze and keep refrigerated. For maximum freshness, use entire contents within 3 to 5 days after opening. Best if used by date stamped on package. Ingredients: whey, milk, vinegar, and xanthan gum, locust bean gum, gar gum, stabilizers. Contains milk. Distributed by Lactalis American Group in Buffalo, New York. And let's go to nutrition facts. Nutrition facts: quarter of a cup, servings per container about 7, 100 calories, calories from fat 60, total fat 7 grams, saturated fat 4.5 grams, trans fat 0 grams, cholesterol 30 milligrams, sodium 60 milligrams, total carbs 6 grams, dietary fiber 0 grams, sugars 4 grams, protein 5 grams, vitamin A 6%, vitamin C 0%, calcium 15%, and iron 0%. Daily values are based on a 2,000 calorie diet. So honestly, I feel like the calories aren't bad. I feel like I'd rather have ricotta when it comes to, you know, eating a low-fat cheese or whatever. Not that it's low-fat, but it's on like the, compared to like other cheeses, it's less fat. So I feel like I'd rather have this like if I'm trying to watch or whatever the case is. It's delicious and it's so creamy. I'm gonna get a little scoop and show you guys. There we go. So yummy and creamy. Nice texture, very, very smooth, and absolutely delicious. This is what it looks like. And my mom actually made like these zucchini balls and served this with it, so it's good with that too. So there you have it, guys. That is Galbani Ricotta cheese. I hope that you guys try it out, and I hope you love it just as much as I do. It's pretty tasty. Thanks for watching, guys.